Yo, what's up, I'm back. This is ProForcE and this is the Beatbox series. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to do the this. So this is just the outward mouth bass, that's what I like to call it. I never seen any other beatboxer do this. I don't really know. It's not famous and I think I invented it. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just tell you how to do it. Just place your tongue at the mouth of your roof like this and put some air pressure out of your mouth, like make this type of sound, and then you just gotta add a fat kick to it. Together it sounds like that's it. And you can combine it with sounds like, and you can do a lot of things with it. You don't require to breathe inside, and it's very simple. You can do this along with the other sounds, and it's very simple.